Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone. So at the moment, I'm trying to AirDrop some photos. If you are currently on the AirDrop screen like this, what I recommend you to do is go and close it and press off the screen share as well, and then just go and reopen up the share menu, then click on AirDrop and see if that solves the problem. So sometimes simply closing it and reopening it well, however, if that doesn't, then what you want to do is come to the top right of your iPhone, drag down to open up the control center, and you can then see the AirDrop button there. Click on it, go and turn it off, wait a couple of seconds and turn it back on. Go and see if that solves the problem, and then what you want to do is go and hold your finger in the middle of these icons here, and you don't want to try changing AirDrop to everyone for 10 minutes. I sometimes find that solves a problem, and go and see if that goes and solves the problem. If it still doesn't, then what I recommend you to do is try doing a forced restart on your iPhone. This will go and restart everything. So all you want to do is press the increase volume button, the decrease, and hold down the power button like so. You will see this screen here. Keep on holding it down. Your phone should shortly go black. Keep holding it though until you see the Apple icon. When you see it, let go. After your iPhone has restarted, that should go and have fixed AirDrop. If it hasn't, then make sure you repeat these steps on the other device as well. I hope you find it useful. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.